Myself, Kamal Kishore Sharma, lecturer in Electronics Department, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Today I am deliver e-lecture on principle, construction and characteristics of DAC. First, we discuss the construction of DAC. As shown in figure number 1, the configuration of semiconductor layers for a DAC. It is a two electrode device and can conduct in either direction. The terminals are denoted by T1 and T2. The word DAC stands for diode for AC. The four layers are PN, PN and PN, PN. The symbol is shown in figure number 2. इसे हम इस तरीके से समझ सकते हैं कि डायक जो है वो एक दो टर्मिनल वाली डिवाइस है जो कि फॉरवर्ड और रिवर्स बायस दोनों में काम करती है। इसमें किसी प्रकार का कोई गेट टर्मिनल नहीं होता है, अतः इसे केवल ब्रेक ओवर वोल्टेज पर ही ऑपरेट किया जा सकता है। अगर हम इसके कंस्ट्रक्शन पे ध्यान दें तो यह दो चार लेयर्स वाले डायोड्स से प्रदर्शित किया जा सकता है जो कि समानांतर या जो कि पैरेलल में एक दूसरे के साथ अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जुड़े हुए हैं। ये चार लेयर डायोड NP, NP तथा PN, PN सेमीकंडक्टर्स के रूप में शो किए गए हैं। सेकंड, we discuss principle of operation. When terminal T1 is positive with respect to T2, the layers PN, PN start conducting. This happens when voltage of T1 is more than breakover voltage. Once the conduction starts, the current through the DAC becomes very large and has to be limited by the external resistance in the circuit. Second case, when terminal T2 is positive with respect to T1, the layer PN, PN dash conduct. This happens when the voltage of T2 exceeds breakover voltage. In both cases, the current during blocking regions are small leakage current. The behavior in both the directions is similar because doping level is the same in all the layers in the two directions. The breakover voltage for commonly used DAC is about 30 volt. Now we discuss the characteristics of DAC. Figure 3 shows the VI characteristics of DAC. When T1 is positive and voltage is less than breakover voltage BO1, only a small leakage current flows through the device. When voltage exceeds VBO1, it starts conducting and current becomes very large. As the current increases, the voltage drop across DAC decreases. Thus, it exhibits negative resistance characteristics. The characteristics in the reverse direction, when T2 is positive, lies in the third quadrant and is exactly similar to that in the first quadrant. The breakover voltage VBO2 and VBO1 are also equal in magnitude. In both cases, the device exhibits negative resistance breakover. In both cases, the device exhibits negative resistance behavior during conduction region. The application of DAC. DAC is mainly used for triggering tracks. A track requires either positive or negative gate pulse for turning it on. This is provided by a DAC. Matched DAC track combinations are manufactured for various control circuits.